Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about 23 things to buy right now if you are totally unprepared for a disaster. And this is a question that I get asked all the time. Well, where do I start? Okay, well, I've compiled a list to try and get you in the right direction, on the right path. Okay, and this doesn't just include food or water. Okay, I mean, yes, that's in on the list, but there's other things. Okay, food and water just doesn't make you make up your prepper list. Okay, there's other things as well. Okay, and number one is a physical map. If there's a grid down situation, the GPS on your phone is not going to work anymore. So have a physical map. Okay. Number two, batteries. Number three, lighters. Ziplocs. Long burning candles. You can get those actually at Dollar Tree. Flares. Whistles. Whistles are good, especially if you get lost or you get separated from your group. Boom. Blow on the whistle. They can find you. A fire extinguisher, flashlight, battery-powered lanterns. Another thing is a wrench set. I really feel that having a good tool set, just in general, is what we all should have. Okay, and I'm not just talking drills and power tools. Okay, I'm talking about good old-fashioned hand tools. Okay. Next is boomsticks and freedom seeds. Yes, yes, yes. I can't say the actual words, but I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. Duct tape, hammer, nails, and plywood. And this would be for boarding up your home just in case of an emergency of some sort and you have to bug out, or if you're bugging in and you don't want anyone to know that anyone is home type thing, caulk, blankets, super glue, first aid kit, obviously water, non-perishable foods. Now, when I say water and non-perishable foods, this is all going to depend on your budget. This is all going to depend on how many people are in your family. This is all going to depend on how much room you have, where there's always room to find, okay, whether it's underneath a bed, in a linen closet. I don't suggest storing any kind of food like underneath a sink because moisture, or you could have a faulty pipe or something like that. Okay, you never want to store food underneath of a sink, whether bathroom sink, kitchen sink. You don't want to do that. But closets, underneath a bed, okay, wherever the case may be. I have even seen someone told me about that they took their 5-gallon buckets that had like rice and beans and stuff in it, and they made end tables, and they just put like a cloth over top of it, and they said you'd never know that there was 5-gallon buckets, and I was like, that's clever. I like that. But water and non-perishable food, it all really depends on you. I mean, I would suggest starting out with 2 weeks and then build from there. I really want you to take into consideration like what you do right now. When you go food shopping, do you just buy for a week? I mean, I'm being serious. Or do you buy for an entire month so you only have to go to the store once a month and then that's it? Because, regardless if you think about it or not, you're already prepping. Okay? You're already prepping in the sense of food and water if you buy more than 2-3 weeks of food at a time. Okay? Now it's up to you to want to start stockpiling that. Okay? Like your family eats chicken salad once a week, so you buy 4 cans of chicken in a can. Well, instead of just buying 4 cans of chicken, how about buying 8? Or buying 2 more, so make it 6. Now you're starting to stockpile. Okay? That's how that works. All right. The next on the list is feminine supplies. Yes, even guys can use this. I've said this in a previous video. Okay, it stops bleeding. You can use it for water filtration because it's organic cotton. Okay, this type of thing. All right. Next would be condoms. Shame on you. Next would be toilet paper, but please, for the love of God, do not hoard it and buy 15 packs of toilet paper. Buy 2 packs of toilet paper, just enough. All right. I don't want to see that stuff anymore with the craziness and that drove me nuts. And according to my brother-in-law, because he called me while I was making this list, and he said, "What are you doing, Gyps?" And I said, "Oh, I'm compiling a list of things that you should stockpile right now if you're completely unprepared for a disaster." And he goes, "I got something you can add to that." I said, "What's that?" And he goes, "Bitcoin." So, Sonny, this is for you. Stockpile Bitcoin. He is crazy about Bitcoin. It's $100 here, $100 there, $100 here, $100 there. And he shows me. He's like, look how much I made. Look how much I made. So that's for you, Sonny. Okay. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Stay safe. Stay positive. Keep prepping. Stay warm. And God bless.